So I got hip surgery in 2022, and since my hip surgery, I was having a really hard time rebuilding strength and flexibility. I was kind of on this cycle of working out, starting to feel good, starting to get a little stronger, and then pushing to a point where I would injure myself, and then having to take some time off, and then starting up again. And so it was kind of this cycle of working out, getting injured, and then having to stop, which was really difficult to me because being active is super important to me. My main hobby is dancing, and there were weeks where I would have to choose between working out as much as I wanted to or dancing, which was super hard. So it was for those 2 years not knowing how to effectively and safely train in a way that I could both get stronger but also not hurt myself. That's why I decided to try out UMS. I was generally skeptical of just online workout coaching in general before trying this out. I had done several kind of purchasing a workout program where I would do, was kind of a one size fits all workout month to month, but I was skeptical of what the coaching would actually consist of because I had done workout programs before where you'd be in a Facebook group and get some feedback that was kind of general, but that was the level of specificity of what you would get. So my mindset going into it was actually kind of just, I'll see, like I had seen your guys' stuff online and kind of some of the stuff you talked about with strength and flexibility, and it seemed really interesting to me because it really aligned with what I wanted. So my mindset going in was, all right, I'll try it month to month. If, I actually get something out of it, I'll keep doing it. If not, it's just a month. I'll go back to doing what I was doing before. So I was definitely skeptical of, kind of just how much I would actually get through the program.
How has that been met with what you have gotten out of the program since you've been in here?
I was really surprised. I am a very strong proponent of the program now. I'm super happy. I think the level of detail that I get when I post videos for feedback is so specific and so kind of point by point of each movement that I'm doing. I've been able to do things that in the 2 years since my surgery, I wasn't able to do. I've PR'd in several lifts that I was training on my own and I just had plateaued in. So the results that I've gotten and then the amount of information I get when I ask for help is, I absolutely am a believer in the program now.
And what results have you noticed since joining?
Before UMS, I could not load more than the bar for squatting without feeling hurt and sore for days to sometimes weeks at a time. And there's kind of the mental block of being afraid to do movements like squats and deadlifts with any kind of weight because I was just kind of in the habit of getting injured doing those things. And after, I think I've been doing UMS for a little over 2 months now, maybe going on 3 months, I can do more than twice as much as that load without getting injured, and I can actually dance the same day, which is huge for me and kind of a result that I didn't expect this soon in the process, but I'm super happy about. And then I've also PR'd on other lifts that I had plateaued in for years.
What would you say to somebody that's sitting on the fence and considering joining the UMS?
I would say it's absolutely worth trying out. I think my experience with UMS has been being able to perform better and feel better from an injury that's been bothering me for years, but then also being able to improve on lifts and on movements that I had plateaued in on my own. So I think the applicability of the program, it can help you recover from injuries. It can help you improve your training, even if you're already training and doing fine. So I think the flexibility of the program, I think really makes it worthwhile to try. And the benefit of it and the potential benefit of it is so far worth at least just trying it out and seeing if one of those benefits can be accessible to you.